Mr. Houston Chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and this is...
Phil Yamamoto, a chiropractor from Southern California.
And Dr. Yamamoto is here with us for these 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, for Advanced Chiropractic Seminar to teach him all the details of how to deliver the Johnson Biophysics ring dinger adjustment safely and effectively to the public. And how's it been this first 3 days that you were here?
Oh, it's great. I highly recommend it. I loved it.
What's the difference between our seminar and what you've been to traditionally?
Oh, it's hand holding and hands on all the way through from start to finish.
Yeah.
And
real cases, real
patients, real
yeah.
And
you've seen a variety of things this week. Herniated disc. And
I've seen him actually turn away patients. You don't see too many chiros that do that.
Yeah. Yeah, they have contraindications.
Right, contraindications.
And that's one of the things we teach is the contraindications to know when to not do this.
Right.
Which is important for every chiropractor, for every adjustment, really.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're going to give him his last ring dinger of the trip here this week, so go ahead and have it lay on your back there for me, Doc.
Okay, thanks. Oh, man. I'm tired.
Okay.
I can't believe how much better I feel.
Isn't that great?
It's really good.
I personally feel like this is the most effective chiropractic adjustment on the planet.
Oh, I would agree with that.
Just because of the types of cases that we've seen through the years. And I could have sworn I had a towel back here. Are you done with that? All right, we'll steal a towel.
All right.
There we go.
Okay, got it.
All right. So again, just keep your teeth together. Don't bite your tongue. I'm gonna bring your legs up just a tad. There we go. See, that's parallel for you. Mm-hmm. Yes, sirree.
Whoa.
Yep. So this is what, your 5th or 6th ring dinger this week?
I believe so.
Have you felt every one of them all the way down to your lumbar spine?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Down to your sacrum probably.
Yep. Yep.
Tilt left for me. Yep. Tilt right. Nope. Let me do it. Nope. Tilt. Let me go. There you go. I'm not gonna force it.
Yeah, I never.
You don't ever want to force joints.
Right.
Or I don't.
No.
Let me help you up here, Doc.
Oh, thanks.
Mm-hmm. All right. Right here on your tummy. Right leg's still coming up just a tad short. Stay short. Does that tighten up a little bit still?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. You still sitting on that wall too, Doctor.
Yeah, I know.
There. Okay. Breathe. There you go. Stayed even that time. Is that any easier?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. So we're gonna feel your head popping up next. Yes, sir. Okay, let's turn you on your back.
Great.
Good. Slide down this way a little bit. Put both arms out, palms up. Hey, I like that shirt. Looks good on you. Team Ring Dinger.
Oh, this shirt.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I like it.
All right, let go. Yes, sir. Yep. Okay, let's set you up face that way today. There we go. Let's let this relax on you.
Okay, got it.
There it is.
Oh man, that's amazing.
Yep. See how when you internally rotate, it gives you a better angle.
Right.
Okay, Doc, let's shoot you one more time.
Okay, great.
You're standing up straight as an arrow right now.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Pull these guys up and back. There we go. All right, try that again. Forward and backwards. No, just forward and backwards. Should feel smoother.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it feels great.
Dr. Yamamoto learned about the rig digger from one of the team rig digger docs that I have in Chino, California, Sam Ruiz, that did it on the first time, and now he's taken it upon himself to learn it.
I learned about it 3 weeks ago.
Yeah. And here you are.
And here I am.
Is it worth your trip
Oh, this
and the expense to do this?
best trip I've ever been on. Best expense.
It's an investment in your future.
Oh no, it's totally going to change the way I practice because
It's going to make it fun again.
I've been adjusted a lot
Yeah.
over the years.
Yep.
And this is by far the best adjustment.
Oh, I agree.
I really,
Wholeheartedly.
you totally feel the difference.
Yeah.
And,
And you see that in the patient's eyes every time they get off these tables.
yeah.
You can see the relief in their eyes.
So I'm going to bring this to Orange County. I'm in the Huntington Beach, Westminster area.
Yep. What's your practice number that they can text?
You can text me at my cell phone. That's the best way to reach me. I'm not worried about that. That's area code 714-235-1000. 714-235-1000. Shoot me a text.
Mm-hmm. And what's that website address you gave me?
Superchiros.com.
Yeah, there you go.
Superchiros.com.
Listen, if you want your chiropractor to do the Johnson Biophysics and Ring Dinger technique on you, have them go to Advanced Chiropractic Equipment LLC.com, and they can sign up for our seminars and reserve a spot and date for their seminar and get a temporary Texas license. Come here and take the seminar and learn how to do this safely and effectively.
Yeah.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, and this is
Dr. Phil Yamamoto from Huntington Beach, California. Ring dinger doctor down in Orange County now. I'm 15 minutes away from Orange County Airport, John Wayne, and 30 minutes from LAX.
Yeah, and he's already accepting appointments ahead of time to come see him, and there's a waiting list. And stick around because he's going to do my last ring dinger on his final exam here, and then we're going to give him a certificate if he passes. It's all right. We'll see y'all soon.
Okay, thank you.